Hello, and welcome to my eating like Ariana Grande for a day video. So very exciting. I've got my high ponytail all ready to go, and all of the information that I've used in order to do this video today has come from a women's health article online, so hopefully I will remember to paste a link to that below, but if not, hopefully this will be just a little interesting video anyway. Just take it with a pinch of salt, because the article was basically taking bits and pieces of conversations and interviews that Ariana had had with other publications. So if you're wondering why I'm looking down, it's because I have some delicious strawberries for breakfast. So one of the things that Ariana mentioned in one interview was that she loves strawberries and she eats them almost every day. So that is going to be the first thing that I have today. They smell so good. So, first meal of the day, strawberries, and I will see you at lunch. So, change of plan, I'm meeting up with my friends to go to the park today, but I will catch up with you for tomorrow's dinner, which will be the finale of my Ariana Grande dinner. So, see you in the next clip. Bye! Good morning. So, it's the second attempt at eating like Ariana Grande for the day. Obviously it was cut off short yesterday because I had a last minute meetup with some friends that I haven't seen in a really long time. So that was really lovely, but today I have no plans at the moment. Hopefully that won't change. The only thing I've got in my fridge is the stuff that I had planned to have for dinner yesterday. So today I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna get a smoothie because apparently that's another one of Ariana Grande's favourites. She does like coconut water as well, but I'm not a big fan of coconut water, so I'm going to stick with the smoothie, and then we'll see what we can find out and about that's open for lunch. And then when I walk back, I'll make dinner this evening. So that's the plan for today. I've still got my hair up from the photo that I did. Obviously, I didn't want to walk out like that. It's very cold in England at the moment, or at least too cold to be walking around in a bra and leggings. So I've just put a top on over the top of the outfit I was wearing, and I'll probably put a coat on as well. But I'll catch in with you when I get my smoothie. Or strawberries, still debating. So this is my final meal of the day for this video. So I've just got some tofu and some rice. I did cook all of the tofu, but I'm not going to have all of the tofu with dinner. I'm going to save some. But that's it. So I'm going to eat that. It looks really good, so I'm really going to enjoy that. And I guess that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!